Okay, so to remove the S4 front badge, doesn't look like it's going to be possible directly from the front. I have tried and I haven't had much success. However, I believe if we take off the front panel above the grille, we should be able to get our hands in behind and lever that out. Put this off. I'm going to try and get this badge off today without removing the grille. I've now got access. Let's see if I can show that. There, down behind the grille, and hopefully my fingers will be strong enough to kind of lever that clip. We know that on the side of the 4 is just a very flat blade shaped tab which just pushes through a gap, which is why, I don't know if you can see, there's a lot of play there. That just slides in and out of this tab that's here, just slides in and out. On the side where the S is, however, we've got a clip that sort of hooks up and on that tab, and I basically need to lift that tab up to free up the badge and pop it out. I don't know how easy or possible it's going to be, but I'm going to give that a crack now, and we'll see if we can get that badge off. Okay, so we seem to be having a little bit of success here. I've managed to get the screwdriver in under the tab there, and there we go. There you can see that was a tab here that was clipping on and holding on to that piece of plastic, which was stopping the badge from coming off. But there we have it, it's off. We didn't have to take off the grille, just the top cover panel here. So now we can fit the new all black badge. Okay, so as you can see, the two badges are pretty much identical in size, so it should be pretty much a like-for-like replacement, with the exception of how it fits. So let's get the backing plating for the new badge. Here we have the backing plate. We have two clips that are going to close around the or butt up against the back of this plastic bracket here, and then we'll stick the other badge on the front. Okay, so I'm going to feed that through that hole first so we can get a sight of that clip. I'm not sure which way around it should be actually. I'm going to put it this way around. Try and get that started. Okay, that started feeding its way through. I'll probably be able to line it up and adjust it better. Once I get the other one on. Okay, that's got started. We'll get the screwdriver on it to speed things up a little. Okay, that appears to be a fairly good fit. So now we're going to get the badge, obviously, which has double-sided tape on it. Going to peel that off and slot that over the backing plate like that. A good press to make sure that's nicely stuck on there, solidly attached. Okay, so that's the front badge done. We'll take a pause, turn the car around, and we'll make a start on the rear badge. Okay, so just turn the car around, and what we're going to do is remove this rear badge here. Got a slight little chip here, but the The good thing about that is I think this badge is positioned too high anyway. I want it to be down here at the level of the bottom of the number plate, so that hopefully, with any luck, will cover that little chip up. But in any case, as you can see, that's pretty well stuck on. So what we're going to do is use a heat gun to try and loosen the adhesive, and then some dental floss to try and slide underneath the back of the badge, remove the badge, and then we'll clean that up before adding the new one. So let's go. We're going to use it's a two-speed gun. I'm going to use speed 1 so we don't heat things too much. And so we're just going to work it around, try and loosen the adhesive up a little bit. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of movement on the badge there. In fact, I'm probably not even going to need the dental floss. It's coming right off, or at least the badge is. Okay, that's quite hot. Be careful when you're using the heat gun. Okay, I'm going to see if I can use the dental floss now to remove that. So we're going to switch the gun off. See if we can get the dental floss in behind. See if it will do anything there. Okay, yeah, it will get behind, but you have to work it really steadily. Actually, that paint is quite hot already. Don't know if a fingernail will help us do the job. Yeah, it's not coming off too easily. Alright, now it is. There we go. We can roll it slightly. Okay. What I'm probably going to do is take a pause here, work this off, and come back when once I got it all off, and then we'll clean it up. Okay, so all the black sticky S4 residue is gone, but there's still some left. What I'm going to try and use is this scratch cleaner, scratch remover. See if that'll take off the rest of the sticky residue and give us a cleaner point to start from. Yeah, that seems to be taking off that residue. Some bits are a little bit harder than others. Once that's all off, we'll come back and clean up this paintwork properly. Okay, so we're going to be using some Turtle Wax Hybrid Pro, all-in-one polishing compound. A little higher speed this time. I think this should be good to go for the badge. Let's get that badge fitted now. Alright, we're going to first of all use a bit of masking tape, hopefully, to get us a nice straight line. Okay, so just want to roughly line that up, see that we're good. Yeah, I think that's not too bad. I think we can get away with that. Okay. Now, to the badge. If that's possible. Just going to have a quick look at that before I decide. And let's see how that lines up. Okay, right, I'm going to remove the masking tape now. Just give me a rough idea where I need to be. Hopefully I can do that without completely disturbing the rest of the badge. Slide it out from underneath if possible. Okay. I think we're going to go with that. So let's just push these on a little bit better now. Okay. It likes to leave a bit of residue, that stuff, doesn't it? Okay, so we've got one or two little bits that need tidying up, little bits of residue and white there, so I'll take care of those in just a moment. But there we have it. My black S4 badge nicely in place. And jobs are good. Thanks for watching the video today. It's hopefully it's not been too much of a bore for you, but the theme, the black and red theme, continues with the S4, and I've got more little aesthetic mods to come. So please do subscribe, come back and watch the next one.